Have you ever been in a situation where you mark out your order block, you want to sell the market, you mark out your break of market structure, you mark out your liquidity and mark out your order block and you place your sell, but then again, price have to disappoint you and hit your stop loss? That's one big bullish candle can wipe out all your accounts and take you back to the village. Stay with me guys, let me walk you through how you can be able to stay away from those things. This is what I call the flip zone. Let's go on to the chart guys. Guys, this is my chart and this is XAUSD and this is on 50-minute time frame. You can do this in whatsoever time frame that best suit the kind of trader you are. If you're a swing trader, a day trader, or a scalper. This is 50-minute time frame and let's go on to it. This gold market, let's say for instance now you had price acting like this and you want to sell the market. So now you have your break of market structure right here and you also have another break of market structure right here, right? And you have your order block sitting around here and you place your sell. You place your sell here and you keep your stop loss here and you're waiting for the markets to come down like this, but then again you had this big candle that take out all your savings and send you back to the village. So now how can you be able to avoid something like this? If you want to avoid something like this, stay with me guys. This is how we trade the market guys. We use what we call a fade order block. You can call it whatsoever pattern. You can call it a fade order block, you can call it a flip zone, you can also call it a breaker block, whatsoever thing that best suits your trading personality. But this is what we mean by fade order block. You're going to see that on a bearish scenario right now, you're going to see that the market creates a bullish move like this, then it come back, then it pushed up, and you have to mark here to be your break of market structure, right? Then you're waiting for price to come back here to your order block so that you can buy the market. You're waiting to buy the market. You fund your accounts, you're waiting to buy the market. Maybe you want to buy Lamborghini, then price have to come back here and disappoint you. Take out all your savings. It's usually painful guys, seriously. Then take out all your stop losses around here, and as soon as price is coming back to this region, now this is what we call your fade order block. The order block that disappoints you is going to respect your analysis this time around. So wait for price to come here, then you start selling the market to the downside. This thing work like magic, okay? Start selling the market here. And let's go on to the bullish scenario. The bullish scenario, you're going to see the market moving, creates low, high, break structure. You mark here to be your break of market structure. To be your break of market structure, and here to be where you want to sell the market, and you're waiting for price to come back there. You fund your account the next day again, you have money, wait for price to come back here, but then again what happens? Price have to disappoint you again and pushed up. As soon as price is coming back to that region that failed, that order block that failed, this is where you should start buying the market as soon as possible. As soon as possible guys. You don't really need to wait for a lot of confirmation. You start buying the market to the upside. Let me walk you guys through a live chart so I will show you exactly how you can be able to do this. Let's go on to the live chart guys. So on the live chart right now we have gold right here. We have gold on the 50-minute time frame. So now this was the order block right here that you were trying to sell the market from here. Okay, so now this is it. You extend it and you name it to be fade order block guy, or you can do flip zone. So just come grab this stuff right here, or you can do flip zone. So let's do flip zone. So this is a flip zone for you, okay? Then if you're trading this pattern guys, there are two things that I want you to put into consideration. The first one, liquidity. Always wait out for liquidity. And the second thing is called a fair value gap. Wait for a fair value gap. Make sure guys there is a fair value gap and also there is a liquidity. If you don't see those two things, don't take that trade please. So this is it right here. We have liquidity around here, obviously it's obvious. Liquidity right here, and we have our fair value gap here, okay? Fair value gap right here. I know most of you might be asking what is a fair value gap. I made tons of video talking about fair value gap, so you can just go back to my channel and check for a fair value gap video, watch and educate yourself. So this is a fair value gap right here, right? You can see that the two confirmation is intact, and you can see how price come back here precisely. Take in your orders and you can set your stop loss to whatsoever fits your trading style. Like me, I do 70 pips, I do 80 pips. So you can do 120 pips, you can do 200 pips based on how you're trading, okay? So now you're going to be waiting for your take profit to move up, okay? You can see that this was a trade I also took live, and I had risk to reward of 1:3 only. Let me take you to another scenario on the buy market on GBP/USD. So guys, this is GBP/USD and this is 15-minute time frame. Okay, it's still the same thing. Wait out for imbalance and wait out for liquidity. So now we had market moving to the downside right here, creating lows, high, low. Okay, we had a break of market structure, correct? We have break of market structure right here to the downside, correct? I'm not arguing with you. And we also have another one right here, correct? I'm not arguing with you. And then again, you have to plot here to be your order block. So now you plot here to be your order block and you're waiting for price to get there for you to start selling the market. So you sold around here and you're waiting to catch 350 pips, or you're waiting to catch 1000 pips. But then again, what happened? Market have to disappoint you, take out your stop losses and start moving to the upside. So now as soon as price is coming back there next, all I want you to do is to extend that your fade order block, extend it to the future and name it to be either flip zone or fade order block. Okay, so now this is a fade order block right here. See how markets mitigate us around here and start moving to the upside. I'm going to be leaving a screenshot on this video so you can see that these are trades that we took live, not just a guesswork but a precise entry. I keep telling you guys that trading my hybrid system is not a guesswork. These are things that you can trade precisely and know what you're doing, guys. And let me know what you think about fade order block or flip zone. If it is something that you're going to be inculcating in your trading system, or if it is something you're going to try, let me know in the comment section down below. Until next time, peace and love. Bye for now.